In this video, you'll learn how to obtain an invoice for your course purchases on Udemy. This process will ensure that you can easily access and keep a record of your transaction details. Begin by logging into your Udemy account. You can do this by navigating to the Udemy website. Once you are on the home page, locate the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open your profile menu. After you've opened the profile menu, look for the option labeled Purchase History. This section is where all your course purchases are recorded. Click on Purchase History to view a list of the courses you have bought. Next, you will see a list of your purchase courses. Scroll through this list to find the specific course for which you need the invoice. Once you locate the course, look for an option that says View Receipt or Invoice next to it. Clicking this option will take you to the receipt page. Once the receipt page opens, you will see all the details related to your purchase, including the payment information. From this page, you have the option to either download the invoice or print it directly. Choose the method that best suits your needs, as this document is essential for your records. Be aware that the invoice file size may vary depending on the details included. If you have a slow internet connection, downloading the invoice might take a bit longer. Before you start the download, ensure that you have enough storage space on your device to save the file. This will help avoid any interruptions in the process. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.